These are some of the other embellishments I've made for the journal. I used some of the cereal packet and I put some paper on the front and then used a little piece of the cereal packet for the base. With these, it's a little piece of red card and I added some craft sticker paper in the middle and then doodled lines to make it look like ribbon. With these ones, I used cereal packets again and added a little bit of fabric on the top. I kept the pinked edge for that one, which I thought was quite nice. And that gives a really nice texture. And I've inked around all of these as well to keep it consistent. And again, there's another little piece of fabric, nice and rustic. These ones were included on the printable as well. And then finally, I've got these that I made out of some similar scrapbook card, just some little tiny offcuts that I had. I tore them and added them onto a piece of scrap card with some music sheet. These will make either page edges or perhaps tuck spots. So I made a few of those, and then a little bit of hand-dyed paper, all nicely distressed. These are to add to the pockets and the pages to make them look a little bit more inviting before I start art journaling on them when the countdown begins.